Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for cultural workshops and classes business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first let's create new site. Now build with Wix editor. Now enter your business type or your website type, cultural workshops. Cultural workshops and classes. So for example, let's choose this and let's continue. If you want to skip, you can skip from here. And now enter your business name or your website name. uh, what we what do you want to add on your website? So let's choose all these options here. Now let's continue. Go to dashboard and now design your site. So how would you like to design a website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna use this. It's more easier. Now let's get started. Here enter your information, your business name, your email, your address and your phone. And if you wanna add social link, if you wanna add your logo, and that's it. Now let's move on. Pick a theme you like. So for example, this. Pick your favorite homepage design, and let's continue. Now add page to your site. Wait a few seconds, preparing your homepage website. Now your site is up and running and ready. If you wanna edit more your website, click here. Go to editor. So this is your homepage website. If you wanna add elements, click here. So the first elements on your elements list is the text element. Here you find the theme text, the titles, and the paragraphs. So you can select any form or any size of the text you like. Now let's move on to the image. Here find the image elements. If you want to upload or import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations, if you want to add button elements, if you want to add some elements on your home page. So you find the themed buttons and the text and icon buttons, the image buttons, document buttons, and the iTunes button, and the Wix chat button. And here the payments button, you have to add some payments button on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the strip. Here we find the strip elements, the classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and theme. You have to add any one of these on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here we find the shapes, the themed lines, and the basic shapes, rows and the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Also here we find the vector art, featured, icons, animals and nature, logos and the badges and characters. In the last here is the video elements. We find the video box, video mask or transparent video. So that's it. Now let's move on to the boxes element. Here we find the themed boxes, the container boxes and the hover boxes and the tabs. Also here we find the galleries. Let's move on to the galleries. If you're looking for some recommended galleries or pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus in Anchor. So here we find your menus, the themed menus and the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Here we find the in-page navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu. And the last here is the search, the site search. So that's it. Here we find the contact and forms. The forms, all the forms you have to add on your homepage: the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation, the feedback forms, the request forms, and the waiver forms and subscribe forms. Also here we find the Google Maps if you want to add some normal maps or full width maps, and here we find the chat, the Wix chat button or the line button. Now that's it. Let's move on to the video and the music. We find here the video elements, the single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video, and also here we find the audio players, the Wix music if you want to add some SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive. If you want to edit the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the boxes slideshows or the light boxes or the boxes, the over boxes and the tabs, or the repeaters, the over repeaters. Here we find the list, the repeaters and the over repeaters and the blank repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players or some SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button, or if you want to edit the advanced elements, marketing tools or developer mode or animation elements. And here we find the social bar. If you want to add some social bar, select any social from here, or if you want to add some if you want to add Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest link or VK link or a line or a YouTube link, you can add it on your homepage at any place you want. Here we find the payment section, the payments buttons and the payment forms, the order and donation and the pricing plans and the store. If you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site content, and here we find the blog and the store, the bookings if you want to easily manage your bookings and the related elements and the pricing plans. Here we find the events and the communities and your designs. So that's it. If you want to add section, click here, select any section you want to add on your home page. If you want to add pages and menus, click here. If you want to design your site, you can customize your site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. If you want to add some apps, if you want to manage your business, or if you want to upload your media, you can edit images and videos. If you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, here if you want to edit the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site content, and the last here is marketing and SEO. If you want to manage the Google ads or the Facebook ads or the social media marketing or the marketing integrations. So that's it. Now after you're done from this section here, you can design your sections if you want to move it down or move it up, if you want to do a quick edit, if you want to explore section layout, or if you want to more actions, if you want to duplicate the section or delete the section or copy or cut. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing all your websites and design it as you like, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.